I'm going to show you is our newest receiver in the product line. And this receiver is our LR20, and it's designed specifically for compact machines. And it's unique in the market, number one, because of its size and its flexibility, but also because of its receiver size and the magnet that we use to mount it to the machine. Now you can see with this type of machine, it's limited in where you can actually put the receiver for the operator to see. So with this, we've got a reduced size magnet mount that can actually fit on the back of the stick, which is very unique to this because typically it's mounted on the side. But you can see on the side here there's obstruction, so we can't really mount it. So now we can actually move this over to here so the operator can still see it. It's out of harm's way, and he can still dig how he needs to. Okay, this also can mount on the side. So he's got a job that he needs to have the receiver on the side that he can see. He turns it around, looks at the lights, and he digs to the ground. Now some of the features that this has are the same in some of our bigger. When grade is checked, it's crucial that the stick be plumb, which means the stick is going to be up and down as it is here. This has an indicator light that actually tells the operator when that is plumb so he can check the grade. And this is once again, this is our LR20, and it's our newest offering for the compact machines. Okay, now for the bigger machines, we have the rest of the portfolio, and you can see it's a larger receiver. We have larger machines, so it's a larger receiver. Instead of the mini mag mount, it has this bigger magnet. This is a 1 meter or 3 foot magnetic mount. And you can see the receiver mounts to the front of that, just as this one mounts to the front of the mini mag. This has a little different feature set because the machine is going to be a little bit bigger. This has an angle compensation. When I explained that we had to bring the stick plumb or up and down for the LR20, this one actually allows us to work in an angle, so we don't have to have that stick plumb. Okay, so it gives us the indicator light just the same as the LR20 does, but gives us the added advantage of the ace compensation. Okay, now one of our most popular receivers is our LR50. This one has kind of feature sets for both. It has a plumb sensor that tells when the stick is up and down. It gives a green indicator, but this one can also go on a dozer or some type of a box plate. And the key feature there is that it has a level indicator. So we can the operator can actually see when the blade is level. So we're giving him the elevation indication, and we're giving him the tilt indication. So the blade won't be off and putting slope where it does not belong. So that's very crucial. So this is one of our most flexible for the bigger machines. Now all of these laser receivers work with any of the rotating lasers. The ones that we are offering here today are the GL412, which is a single slope automatic self-leveling laser, or a GL422, which actually gives us two slopes, so it gives us slope in two directions.